Hello, good day traders. My name is Ruti Malawali, and in this video, I want to bring you the review of the weekly outlook video, which I dropped earlier in the week. Now, this weekly outlook talked about the currency pairs that I projected were going to move in the course of the week between the 6th to the 10th of November 2023. And I listed these currency pairs and the projected directions which they were expected to go. Some went in line with analysis, some others did not. The ones that went were able to gather profit in the line of the analysis given, and some other ones were not triggered at all. That means they did not even enter the entry price, so it was no trade, no loss, no trade on them. But then in this video, I'll be bringing you the ones that were triggered, either into a buy or sell, and also the projected profit that where they were able to gather. That is the maximum number of pips they were able to make for the course of last week. Now, to get a better understanding of this video, I'd like you to click the link below this video. It will give you the video. It will show you the video where I made the analysis for the week. So this is the after of that earlier analysis. So that earlier analysis will let you know it has a before, while this is the after of it. All right, so let's get started. So the first currency pair I'll be reviewing is the AUDCAD. Now, the AUDCAD was projected to go bearish, for during the course of the week, and it actually triggered into a sell. I remember saying specifically I expected entry to be made in the bearish direction from below the tip of this candle here. I projected this was supposed to be a double top, and it eventually turned out to be that, and price went in the bearish direction, just in line with the forecast on this instrument. So profits realized, total number of pips moved, looking at the entry point, ended up to be like about 50, I think about 56 pips thereabout. That's about 53, 56 pips thereabout on this instrument. Okay, from the upper part there, that's about 56 pips, on this instrument. That's the number of pips that was generated, on this instrument for last week. Yeah, 56 pips. So that was a good one, went in line with the analysis. And the second update I'll bring is that of AUDCHF. This also was expected to break out into a sell. You can refer to the earlier analysis, and it went in line, that direction. I remember saying clearly that I'll be looking forward to a bearish trade once price breaks out below the lower trend line, and that is here with RSI clearly below 50. So the conditions were met, and this was able to generate about 104 to 106 pips thereabouts on this one right here. Yeah, that's about 106 pips on this one again. And the third one is the AUDJPY. Now, this one also, the projection on this was bearish, and the trade actually went, the price actually went in line with that analysis. Let's go to the daily. Yeah, we saw a resistance level up there, and the price was expected to go bearish, and that is what we had, entry to be made at the break of the lower trend line. So price went in line with the analysis, with the forecast. The price went in line with the forecast, and it went really bearish, and this was able to generate. Now, taking the entry from somewhere around here, was to generate about 113 pips on that. And the next one is the Euro AUD. Now, I'm so excited about this Euro AUD. It was supposed to be a bullish trade. If you refer to the earlier analysis, we had a support zone here. We had another one right there. And I really was very optimistic that this instrument was going to go in the bullish direction. And on the daily time frame, we actually had a trend line here showing us of a bullish continuation. And I remember specifically saying that this was going to be a double bottom, and that point there was supposed to be the entry. Yeah, it didn't form a double bottom eventually. It turned out to be an inverse, head and shoulder pattern or a triple bottom, and price still broke out in a bullish direction. I remember clearly saying that profit should hit this most recent high. Yeah, I think it got quite close. Didn't hit it exactly, but very, very close to that level, And from the entry point, we can clearly see that price was able to make about 265 pips, about 265 pips, in profit, in line with the analysis. All right, I think close to 265, 262 there. All right, and also we have the US oil, and I'm so excited about this one. It's just going, everything is going in line with the plan. And I remember this one, we expected a bearish breakout, price hitting a resistance level on the weekly time frame and forming a head and shoulder pattern, shoulder, head, second shoulder, and a drop. And I still maintain I expect price will still come down to hit the next support level. Now, that is actually from the perception or the understanding of how head and shoulder pattern works. So, and that's like 1,500 pips away. But then for last week, price was able to move over 500 pips. I remember the neckline drawn here on the daily time frame, and price was able to generate about 585 pips, on this 585 pips thereabouts, on this. And finally, we have New Zealand JPY. Now, this one, it didn't really go as planned. It was supposed to be a bearish trade. Price broke out, the candle that broke the below the neckline, sorry, below the, I think I gave a specific figure for this one at 89.342 as the entry. You can refer to the previous video. And the price actually moved, but it never touched the main Fibonacci level, so we can't claim any profit on this. And rather price later reversed, above the most recent high. That's at a loss of about 50 pips thereabout on this one. So this one is negative. It's about 50 pips loss. So in all, by calculation, we have about 1,071 pips, generated from the analysis of last week. I tell you, I'm so excited about that. That's quite massive just for 1 week. Now, this is not really a signal service. The idea behind this market analysis is to give you an idea, of what to give you insight, of the trends on all these instruments for the course of the week. Now, you can make your entry based on your personal discretion, and you can use your own personal strategy to also gauge if this is right or not. So if everything goes fine and you're able to trade along with this trend, then you're expected to make profit from the market. So I'm so happy about the outcome of the analysis of the last week, which gave us over 1,000 pips. And I look forward to more pips in the coming week, thereabout. All right, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button, subscribe to this channel, click the notification bell, and drop your comments. Drop your comments in the comment section. All right, I'll see you again some other time. It's bye for now.